She no longer responds. I decided to delete our conversation as my first step toward moving on and stopping myself from overthinking about her. Please help me convince myself that deleting the conversation and trying to move forward was the right thing to do. Ito na naman same shit Tangina, kumakaliwa na naman Tangina Tas sinasabi mo pa, ooh, I deleted my messages. Ooh, it was the right thing. Of course it was the right thing. Ito,
Gusto mo?
Anong gusto mo?
Reward?
Reward? What, you want a cookie? Yung biti Chris Rock? You're supposed to raise your kids. Tangina Sobrang baba na, ng standards ng pagiging lalaki ngayon.
Sa kanila lang?
Ha?
Sa kanila lang.
Sa kanila lang ngayon. Kasi may mga iba, like, syempre, yung gawin natin yung, ilagay natin sa issue nung sa guy na nagpanta siya kay Ann Curtis. Like, sobrang daling maging descending lalaki. Alam mo yan, wag mo lang gawin. Wag ka lang maging bakulit, wag ka lang maging creep. Mahirap ba gawin yon? Para bang, pag hindi ko ginawa yun, oh fuck, hindi ako lalaki, pare. Kailangan may GC kami, pare. Tapos, nagsisend lang kami ng nudes ng mga girls na nagsisend sa amin. Ang ina. Fix your life, pare. You need Jesus, pare, in your life.